Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola E22 and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Now find and select system, select date and time, and here you can smoothly switch off automatic date and time by tapping on off, and now choose the date and time manually by yourself. So that's it, that would be all. As you can see, this panel allows you to change the time zone also. And then the format of your clock, actually not here. Let me just switch this one off. And now you can smoothly change also the format of your clock. So that's it, that will be all. Whenever you wish to go back to automatic setup, just click on set time automatically and then pick network or GPS provided. So that will be all, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.